What's the meaning of cheap? Cheap. Cheap.
Cheap. Cheap. Cheep is a verb that means to make a high-pitched chirping sound, often associated with small birds. The sound is produced by the rapid vibration of the vocal cords, which creates a series of short, sharp notes. Cheep can also be used as a noun to describe the sound itself. This word is commonly used in nature documentaries or while observing birds in their natural habitat. Overall, cheep is a term used to describe the distinct sound made by small birds during communication or when they are frightened.